This is our picnic basket. We actually got it as a gift for our wedding from one of our aunts. And what we put in there was just some sangria, little, margarita mix. We have grapes, some almonds, and it comes with 2 glasses. It also comes with other things like wine openers, salt and pepper shakers, napkins, forks, knives, spoons, and plates. But we didn't need all of that. We just used the cups. And we also took a hydro flask with ice in it to keep our drinks cold. And it does come with this awesome blanket, which we did use. The blanket's pretty cool because it has this material on the inside. So nifty. But this is an awesome basket. Wonderful gift. We're just hanging out at the beach. What do you want to talk about? Don't act shy now. Talk about life.
I'm the shy one of the group.
No, you're not.
She's the talkative one.
No.
So we're going to let Tori do all the talking.
Okay.
And I will do what I normally do, which is all the listening.
Right. We're just hanging out. Sipping sangria.
She's on her 12th glass.
No, I'm not.
I'm the responsible one.
No, he isn't.
Like usual. It's so hard out here. For us fellas. And us husbands, especially. That's the difference between a husband and a fella.
Is it?
It is. A fella is still free. A husband is in bondage.
Bondage?
Yes. A husband is nothing but a fella that's giving up his freedom. That's all it is.
No, that's not what it is. What?
Listen, and the men have to ask for permission.
I'm gonna cut this video.
Nope, because you want to speak.
Because you're talking about
nothing. The men,
you're not even telling the truth.
We have to ask for permission to go somewhere.
What are you asking permission to? Where are you trying to go?
Soon, men, we're gonna have to ask for permission to breathe. I'm just talking about men trying to just be free.
You guys are free. You guys control everything. Let's not talk about politics, though.
We don't control everything.
What? The man controls everything. That's why it's called the man.
The man is just trying to survive. That's all it is.
Whether he's black, white, Asian, blue, brown, the man still controls everything.
Trying to survive.
Anyway, he's just joking, guys. He does not feel controlled. This is called Boz Meets Tori. And Tori is the one that's trapped. Let's be honest. You know what? I cannot. Anyway, we don't have anything planned. Well, he had stuff that he was supposed to do today, but it was a nice day, so we decided to come to the beach. I did decide to come to the beach. I mean, but let's be honest, you've been promising to get out and do things this whole time, and we haven't done anything, really.
It's been too cold.
It's not been that cold.
I hope you edit this.
I'm not. Let it play.
So we just live.
Live. This is it.
Listen, y'all.
Sipping on some sangria. Sipping on some sangria.
Yeah, we can't use this. You gotta use another one.
You're the only one I see in the whole crowd. I want you to remember me the whole time. Can't let him in my way. Can't let you slip away. I'm right here in your face.
Dress up.
It dresses up.
Let's face it. I just wanna make it.
It's just a beach day.